Hello everyone, my name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks and welcome to the Digital Feel Good, providing you with tips, techniques, and training to lead as the most optimal version of yourself. And today we're going to be looking at how to record your iPhone screen on the computer using Zoom. So we've already opened up the Zoom app. We're going to go ahead and select to start our meeting without video because I don't want to show myself. We're going to go ahead and select to utilize our audio here. And this is a great way for you to record your screen if you want to show off different apps, if you want to record a in-person meeting, if you want to do a virtual meeting, so on and so forth. So here, the next step that we're going to take, we're going to click on Share Screen. And under Share Screen options, there's a couple of different options here, but we're going to go ahead and click the option to AirPlay. So when we AirPlay, we're actually going to share our phone's screen with Zoom. And it's going to automatically connect. You'll see here it'll have a couple of different steps for you to take in order to connect. You'll go ahead and go through each one of these steps. And once you are connected, then you can start mirroring your screen through Zoom. So now we have it connected. What we're going to do is swipe up on our phone and make sure that we're connected by clicking on our connect button. As you can see here, it's already connected and it says Zoom to my MacBook, right? And we're all set and ready to go. So now what we want to do is we want to record some content. So let's say I'm going to utilize my app here and I'm going to show someone how to utilize my app. So here I am on HypeType, and here I'm going to go through, scroll up, I'm going to select a picture here, and really this is just showing you how the screen mirroring would work. So pretty much all that I'm doing is kind of going through the motions of this particular app, but as you know, of course, you can use any app. You can show things on your phone. Let's say your phone has some content or you want to showcase some content that you have on your phone only or in your storage area. This is great for meetings as well. Like I said, if you're pitching an app or if you have an app that you want to show other individuals how to use. This is a really, really great and awesome way for you to record content, not only record content, but to also bring in the content from your phone and share that information with your audience, right? Whether that be virtually, if they're meeting you all on Zoom for a virtual meeting, or if you're in person as well. Zoom can work as a backup software for you if you're in person and you want to pull up your screen on a larger screen. You know, if you have Zoom software, then all you need to do is connect the larger screen to your computer and utilize the Zoom software on your computer to showcase the apps that you have on that larger screen. So it really is a bit of a go-to for you, a third party, so to speak. So if you wanted to end this, all you have to do is just go to Stop Screen Sharing. There is an option there. You go to More and you click on Record if you wanted to record the broadcast. There's so many different things that you can do utilizing Zoom and sharing your screen with iPhone. So I hope this was very useful to you. And when you get done, you just go ahead and close it all out and leave the meeting. All right, I hope this was very useful to you. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave those questions in the comments below. And I look forward to meeting you either in person or seeing you here in our digital media space. Wishing you wellness in life and in business. Peace.